if you guys like this video, go like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup today. It's not like professional makeup, it's just something that I like to do. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow and dark brown, and then I just take a regular eyebrow brush. And you could do your eyebrows however you want. I just like how I do mine. So once I fill my brows in, I go in with the LA Girl Pro concealer or any concealer to like shape them out and make them look bomb. And then you're just gonna take a little like flat brush like this and just shape them out. Now that I like put the concealer on, I like to take my finger and blend it out a little bit. Like that. You see the difference? Okay, so now I'm gonna do this side and come right back. Okay, so I just finished my eyebrows, and I'm about to go cover like any acne marks or like breakout discoloration, because I've been breaking out like crazy. I don't know what's going on, but it ain't looking cute. So I'm just gonna color correct that. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer and just put on the dark spots. Like here, up here. And mind you, I was so tired last night and I fell asleep in my makeup. So that's probably why I'm breaking out like extra harsh today. This is like really crazy. And then a little down here. And then I just take my finger and I buff it out. Okay, this is how my face looks with everything covered. So now I'm ready for foundation. So I'm gonna mix today. I think I'm gonna mix the Cover Girl and the NARS one. And to blend it out, I'm gonna start with a brush first. And then I'm going with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna put a little more on than I normally do, only because I'm breaking out really bad. Okay, so now, I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender and blend it all in. It's already damp. And I'm gonna take some of that excess water out. I'm just gonna buff it. And take a little bit more of the foundation. going to highlight, and I think I'm going to do like some golden highlights today. So this is the end look. And just put it there so you guys can see. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this video. Remember, it's a beginner video. Do not go hard on me, but like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification so you guys can remember when you get new videos, and also be on the lookout, guys, because big things are coming.